Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make a canopy bed in Heartopia. So we're going to put some floorings up here. It is 3 by 2, so 6 tiles. And we are going to also place this fence. If you don't have it, you can try to find something else that looks kind of like this. I just randomly got it, the Lustrous Wonderland wall. And I'm just going to color that. Then, okay, there's a lot of glitches in this game, but we are going to place some thin pillars. If you have the lustrous pillars, you can use that one, but I don't have it, so I'm just going to use the thin pillars, and I'm just going to place it all around the 4 corners of the floor. Next, we will be using the cozy sofa, and we're going to place 2 of it here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to glitch that up in the air. I've already done a few tutorials on that, so I'm just going to fast forward it. I just used the multi-select button and I pressed the couches and glitched that. Then I just placed the sofas like this. I also did glitch it again. So here's the sped up process because it took me so long to do that. Then you are going to press complete once you are done with the sofas, like I'm doing now. I did make it in the blueprint mode, so I'm just going to go back to the blueprint that I made this on. Next, we're going to do the wall glitch. So make sure you have walls surrounding the entire room because you need walls that you cannot delete. Then we're going to use penguin tea tables just so that we can glitch the walls. We're going to place, I think I put 8. So there's a table on every wall. You can also use the stool if you don't have this table. You can use anything just to block the wall. Then you're going to glitch the wall by just placing it on where the just all around the area, and you're going to glitch that using the glitch method. Again, speeding through this because it takes a long time to do that. Just make sure the wall will be surrounding the bed area once you are finished. Then you're just going to remove the stools, the tables, or whatever item you used. And then once you're done deleting everything, you're going to place I don't know what it's called, it's not the pillars, it's the wooden, the wall sculpture. I don't know what it's actually called, but you're going to place it all around the area from the bottom part as well as the top part. Again, speeding through this one. Then you're going to place all of the wooden wall sculptures that are on the top, and you're going to glitch that. You're just going to put them in air jail, as I call it. I don't know. You're just going to glitch all of that away from the area. And again, I'm going to speed through this process. Once you're done, you're going to place string lights all over the top of the canopy, like I'm doing here. Again, speeding through that process because it takes so long for some reasons. Then you're just going to press complete, and we are almost done. We're just going to decorate using the other fences for it. So we're going to place more wooden wall sculptures for the top. I forgot to do that. And then we're going to place some fences. Again, we do need to glitch some of it because it kind of intersects with the pillars. So for the one in the front, you don't need to glitch it, but for the ones at the back, you do kind of need to glitch it from the pillars, like I'm doing here. And this is the finished results after decorating. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!